Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where we bring the future to your screen. Tired of dishes, laundry, and cleaning up after everyone? Today, we're looking at AI-powered robots that can handle your daily chores with zero complaining. Hit that subscribe button and stay till the end. We've got a peek at the home assistant that's about to hit the market. Home robotics has moved beyond vacuums. We're entering a new age of multitasking, voice-controlled, vision-enabled robots that clean, organize, and even fold your clothes. Companies like Tesla, Optimus, Samsung, and LG are redefining smart homes. Would you trust a robot with your laundry? Tell us in the comments. You know robot vacuums. But today's models, like the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra or Dream L20, map your house, detect carpets versus tiles, and even empty and clean themselves. Add mopping, edge detection, and object recognition, and you've got a housekeeping ninja. Want our top 3 picks? Tap the link in the description. Yes, folding laundry is now a robot job. Startups like Laundroid and Foldymate are building AI that recognizes, folds, and sorts clothes, shirts, pants, towels, into stacks. It's like having a hotel housekeeping team in your hallway. Would you pay for a robot that folds your clothes? Vote in the poll on screen. Imagine coming home and your robot chef has already started dinner. AI-powered kitchen bots like Moley Robotics and Samsung's Bot Chef can prep meals, follow recipes, and even clean the counter afterward. And yes, they can plate the food too. What meal would you have your robot cook first? Comment below. Some robots don't just clean, they manage your home life. AI systems like Amazon Astro or LEQ monitor routines, remind you of tasks, lock the doors, and even entertain your pets. Some link with your health devices to track well-being too. Want a robot that doubles as your house manager? Hit like if yes. These AI robots are loaded with LiDAR, cameras, sensors, and AI algorithms to detect spills, intruders, and unusual behavior. Some even come with fall detection for elderly care or baby monitoring capabilities. Would you trust a robot to babysit or assist your elderly parent? Let us know. We're not just programming actions, we're teaching robots empathy. With emotional AI, robots can detect moods, respond to tone, and even use facial recognition to greet you personally. Think. A robot that knows when you've had a bad day and vacuums in silence. What emotion should a household robot recognize first? Sadness? Stress? Tell us in the comments. Prices are dropping fast. Where $10,000 used to be standard, you'll now find AI-powered cleaners and helpers starting at $300 or $1,000, depending on the task. Within the decade, every home could have a multi-skilled robot, like Alexa, but with hands. Check our links for the latest budget-friendly robot tech. From vacuuming and folding laundry to helping in the kitchen, robots are ready to take chores off your hands. And they're only getting smarter, safer, and more affordable. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs help around the house. Until next time, this is Health and Technology TV, where the future does the dishes.